Hey guys, Dave Pangione from Remodeling HQ, Pangione Developers Inc. And we're here at this attic level that we're just finishing up. And I have this kitchen remodeling package right behind me. I want to show you, we have the cabinets installed, the countertops, the appliances are in. We just had the floors finished. So I want to show you the complete package. If you're interested in remodeling your home, which will involve also a kitchen renovation package, you'll be able to take a look and see what we've done on this attic level package. Let's take a look. Okay, so we just had the floors finished yesterday. You can see how nice they look. And let's turn around, we'll show you the kitchen. Now this particular kitchen, you've seen it over the last couple of weeks, last couple of months. This is finished, and we organized and set up for the purchase of the cabinets, the installation. We coordinated for the appliances to be delivered and the countertops to be installed. You can see the backsplash was also installed after the cabinets. We had the old door taken out. We put this single unit French door going out, and we had the ice maker connected to the refrigerator. The electric and the plumbing relocated for the dishwasher, also for the sink. The oven, gas and the electric was installed. The microwave was hung, and you can see how nice all the moldings, the crown moldings going around the top, and the surround for the pantry for the refrigerator. All the switches. We put in the hi-hats in this kitchen, so everything has been redone, opened up. Everything's brand new here. And this is a kitchen renovation, part of an attic level package. And if you're interested in an attic level, a home addition, which involves a kitchen renovation, this is what the homeowners of this particular project were interested also. They hired us, and we're just wrapping this up. And you can see all the nice work that we did. I'll show you on the next video of this attic level package.